Hello, hi Alicia. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
कैसे हो आप सबसे पहले तो
I'm absolutely fine and just waiting for this COVID situation to settle down so that, the proper work and everything can start off like earlier we used to.
तो how this period is going on for you मतलब like कैसे अभी तो फिलहाल घर पे ही हो तो कैसे किस तरीके से बीट कर रहे हो हर एक इस चीज को
See, it has been obviously very little stressful and very challenging as well at the same time because 2020 में सबके साथ क्या हुआ, everybody knows, everybody was wherever they were just stuck there inside their houses. Few people were alone, few were with family. And this time it's like I came to my hometown for a shoot, and then I'm just stuck here because I was supposed to go back for some shoots and all, but everything has been postponed because of this COVID thing again. The weekend wala lockdown thing and this arising of more new cases and everything. So it's little risky, and I have no clue, when again we are going to resume with everything. And it's like I'm also enjoying with my family, but kind of like very boring now. I really want to go and shoot.
अच्छा एनीथिंग यू शेयर अबाउट योर शूटिंग वाला थिंग जो अभी आपने बताया कि कुछ आप शूट कर रहे हो कुछ फैंस को बोलना चाहोगे कि किस बारे में था वो या किस चीज के बारे में है
Yeah, I guess everybody knows about it now because we in between the shots we've been just posting it on social media, and it's about blind love. And ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगी अभी इसके बारे में, but very soon it'll, the teasers will be out, and the poster will be out very soon. So still now we're just preparing for it. And usi ka shoot tha. It was in my hometown in Shimla, and then earlier I was very excited about it because I had to come here and it is my hometown, so it was like a vacation for me. But now as I'm stuck here, I wonder when everything again will resume and I can go back and everything.
अच्छा इन दिस सिचुएशन यू हैव जॉइन और अटेंडेड आईटा तो वो कैसा था क्योंकि आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक आपको अपने सारे दोस्तों से मिलने मिला था कुछ कहना चाहेंगे वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था आपका
It was amazing because after such a great lockdown, like spending just days and months at home and not getting ready being an actor, so getting ready for an award show and going and properly getting all dolled up for it. It was very exciting. I was actually happy getting ready for it because ऐसा लग रहा था पता नहीं कितने time बाद I'm properly applying makeup and कितने time बाद I'm doing my hair and this and that. So it was fun. And after that, when I went there and I met my friends and all those my co-actors and everybody जिनसे मैं कब से नहीं मिली थी, almost a year because of this lockdown. So it was fun, but also at the same time everybody was little scared because we all knew the situation is not like in our favor, and we have to be more precautious and careful also. So we were using sanitizers again and again and wearing masks. And obviously 24/7 even we were not able to wear mask, but it was a little risky also. But I can't tell you how happy I was at that time.
अच्छा कोविड की वजह से बहुतों का बहुत कुछ छिन गया एक तरीके से क्या कहना चाहेंगे मेरी गुड़िया भी उसी टाइम पर उसी वक्त आई थिंक जून जून के टाइम या ऐसे कुछ लॉकडाउन में ही
June.
यस तो उस टाइम पर ही अचानक से ऑफ एयर कॉल कर दिया उस चीज के बारे में तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे वो कितना डिसहार्टनिंग था एज ए एक्टर मतलब इतना आप पूरा डे एंड नाइट कहीं ना कहीं पूरा पूरा टाइम देते हैं अपने घर से ज्यादा वक्त देते हैं शूटिंग में और फिर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ये सब हुआ
Actually, it was very disheartening because we started off with the show, and almost 3-4 months had been passed. It was on air, not much time, and the show was doing really good. The TRP was fine and it was doing great. We were getting nice, good, reward from all the fans and everybody. and we also had a story planned for ahead, like, there was a leap coming up, and we had everything planned for that. We all had our, mock shoots, we all had our look test, everything, the story was final. And just as this COVID thing was very new at that time, and everybody was like, okay, it's a 1 week break or maximum a 2 week break, and after that we'll meet up and again we'll resume shooting and everything. So we were all like, just going, okay, fine, bye, we'll meet after a break and this and that. Nobody knew that it would be a break, that, we won't ever shoot that again. And after like 2-3 months, in May and June, we got to hear that, okay, the show is going off air and everything. And it was very disheartening because, I had everything ready for it. Even I was, some different classes were going on because there was some changes for this and that, because, as a character, my whole character was changing. But it was not fair on that part, because the show was doing good, and just because of this lockdown thing, it went off air. But okay, it just happened. And after that, now also, I was about to resume for a few things, but again, because of this weekend lockdown thing, the things have been postponed again. So I'm just stuck here for now.
अच्छा अलीशा, मैं डेफिनेटली आपसे ये जरूर जानना चाहूंगी कि जिस तरीके से अचानक से लॉकडाउन की वजह से कई सारे जो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे थे शोज, वो कहीं ना कहीं ऑफ एयर चले गए, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि इस शो को भी एक दोबारा, जैसे कि बहुत सारे शो ऑफ एयर गए और हॉल्ट पर भी गए, कई सारे शो को रोक दिया गया कि जब भी सिचुएशन नॉर्मल होगी तो हम वापस से रिज्यूम करेंगे शूट के लिए, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मेरी गुड़िया को भी वापस से रिज्यूम करना चाहिए था विद अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी और समथिंग?
What? Yeah, actually, very, very same talk I had with my producer, Anirudh Pathak sir, about this Meri Gudiya thing only just few days back. I think not much, 1 or 2 days back, we had a conversation about it, that, many other shows are coming up for season 2. Let's think about this. And nothing is final yet, and can't say much about it. But yeah, we are thinking about it now. Everything is in the hands of the producer and the channel. Let's see what happens. I definitely would want that to happen.
अच्छा, आई एम श्योर आप जानते ही होंगे कि इश्क में मर जावा 2 जो पहले टीवी पर आता था, उसे वूट पर शिफ्ट किया गया। अगर आपसे पर्सनली जानना चाहो, क्योंकि आपके दौरान कभी ये ऐसी वाली चीजें नहीं हुई थी कि टेलीविजन का कोई शो वोट पर उठाकर डाला गया हो, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे कि क्या आपको मतलब थ्रेटनिंग पार्ट क्या लगता है, या फिर ऐसा क्या लगता है कि रीजन रहा होगा जो वोट पर डालना पड़ा उन्हें?
No, actually, when our show season 1 was coming about of IMMJ, in between, after 1 year, I remember there was a talk going about that, any one show of colors might go on Woot, and it might not, on air on TV anymore. So everybody was threatened at that time. There was no, any specific reason about that. It was just that it might happen to any one show. So at that time, there was a show coming. I forgot the name of the show. In which I forgot the name of the show. There was a show again coming in which there were 2 leads, the 2 lead girls and 1 guy, and it was about relationships. It used to come on Colors only. With our show only, after our show. So that show went on Woot, and our show was saved, and it didn't go on Woot at that time. So but it was threatening. The talks. Yeah, Silsila. Yeah, I forgot the name about it. Yeah, Silsila was the show. Then it went on Woot, and our show was the one which was spared, and we all took a sigh of relief, because yeah, it is threatening, and everything has has pros and cons. And I would not say कि जो shows online जाते हैं Woot पे, suppose बहुत बुरा भी नहीं है, because if you see from the point of view of as an actor, your stress, your burden just lightens up, like otherwise you're shooting day and night, sometimes not even 12 to 13 to 14 hours you're shooting, because back to back आपका telecast जा रहा है, and you don't have that much bank. But if it comes on like Woot, and it's no more there on TV, तो थोड़ा सा शूट का आपका जो बर्डन है वो थोड़ा लाइट हो जाता है सारे एक्टर्स के लिए, तो उनके लिए वो थोड़ा सा रिलीफ भी है. But obviously if it is not anymore on TV and the audience miss it, and actors also at a point of time they do, so everything has a pros and cons, I believe. So yeah.
अच्छा, अभी बहुत सारे सीजन 2 शो आए हैं, तो कौन सा आपका फेवरेट है जो आप थोड़ा बहुत अगर वक्त मिलता है या समय मिलता है तो आप देखती हैं?
आई डोंट वॉच मच टीवी। मैंने सबके प्रोमोज देखे हैं, लाइक जितने भी सीजन 2 आए हैं, आई वॉच्ड their new promos and on my phone only, obviously. I have not watched anything like on TV or the show on TV. I'm not that much of a TV like watching girl. I do TV, but I don't watch that much. So I've not watched anything much. Yeah.
अच्छा, बीइंग एन एक्टर अलीशा, किस किस चीजों में आप अपना हाथ आजमाना चाहते हैं? लाइक एक्टिंग फुल फ्लेजेड तो आप कर ही रही है, साथ ही साथ बहुत सारे रियलिटी शोज होते हैं, स्टंट बेस्ड शो होते हैं, देन बिग बॉस जैसा शो होता है जहाँ पर तो पूरी पूरी पर्सनालिटी कहीं ना कहीं निखर कर आती है। तो कुछ ऐसा कभी ट्राई करेंगे आप?
Reality show is one such thing जो मैंने अभी तक try नहीं की है. And yes, definitely, why not? I would love to try any reality show, but not right now. Like, I think everything has a certain time period, and I will definitely do reality shows, whether it is Big Boss or Khatro Ke Khiladi and whatnot, but not right now. Like, not currently. Maybe after 1 or 2 years, maybe. Yeah,
एंड
but
आपने ये
definitely I'll do.
भी, अच्छा, और आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि म्यूजिक वीडियो का कहीं ना कहीं जो एक सिंगल एल्बम, पहले इतना ज्यादा क्रेज नहीं था उस चीजों का, उसकी तरफ भी बहुत ज्यादा लोगों का रुझान जा रहा है। तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, आपको देख सकते हैं म्यूजिक वीडियो करते दोबारा?
Yeah, actually, 2020 May, during the lockdown period, I came out with one of my first, I would say, music video, which was Khamoshia. And now, again, we are planning something like that. And maybe very soon, but we've not resumed with our shooting or anything as yet. I just said that, everything has been postponed because of, again, this lockdown thing. But whenever we will resume, there will be, something announced on social media for my fans. So, but the things are going on, the talks are on.
ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट वेब सीरीज? मतलब उसके लिए कितनी प्रिपेयर है? क्योंकि ओटीटी का क्रेज जो लॉकडाउन में सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ा, कहीं ना
Yeah.
कहीं एक फेम और लाइमलाइट उनको लॉकडाउन पीरियड में ही मिली है। तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, आपको कितना ओटीटी पर वर्क करना, अगर इंटरेस्ट की बात पूछी जाए तो?
I would love to if I get any, any web series, a good one with a good storyline. I would love to do it. And during this lockdown period, I was, approached for 1 or 2 stories like that. I read the stories, but things didn't work out because of few other reasons. But still, I am in touch with everybody, and I am getting few stories. So nothing as such, but maybe I can say that, yeah, because even I want to try something about this web series. I've not done any. I've done shows, I've done music video and this and that, but web series is something even my fans were asking about. So I am trying for it. If I get a good storyline which I really like and I like the character, then I would definitely say yes.
अच्छा, वन थिंग वी ऑल हैव नोटिस दैट वेब सीरीज में कहीं ना कहीं आपको थोड़ी सी बोल्डनेस और थोड़ा सा एक हॉटनेस का तड़का ये सब लाना पड़ता है। तो आर यू ओपन फॉर ऑल दैट? आर यू
I
रेडी
think,
फॉर बोल्ड सीन्स और समथिंग?
see, I think whenever we talk about such things, few people say that yeah, this is good, few people say no, this is not good. So I think it's all about their own perspective. Like, everybody has their own perspective. For other person it might be not much of a thing, but for the other person it might be a huge thing, to think about and to do about. So I think everybody has their own perspective, and I'm not at all saying that this is right or this is wrong. Not at all. I'm not underlining anything. I'm just saying that I personally might not be comfortable with it. So whenever, this is one of the reasons till now I've not said yes to a few stories that had come up to me for web, and I might not be comfortable with it. So I'm looking to the stories which I might be comfortable to, and maybe you never know. Fingers crossed.
अच्छा, तो ऐसा कहा जा सकता है कि अब जो जब से शुरुआत हुई थी कहीं ना कहीं, तब से अब तक में बहुत सारे बदलाव आए हैं। जब स्टोरी पिक करने की बात आती हो या किसी को यस कहने की बात आती हो, तो सोच समझ कर कहना होता है, ऐसा?
Yeah, because see, whenever you are approached for any show, anything, the first thing you ask about is the character that you are approached. Like, if I get a call for some show or some series or whatever it is, at first I ask about my character, that, what is it, and what's the brief of the character, and how much important is the character to the story. And then my another question is about the story, like, the whole narration of the story. And if I really like my character, if I like the story, I do, move forward for it. But if you are yourself are not convinced with it, if there's something that you're not very right, it's your mind actually tells you that no, not this one. So there's no use, just moving forward with it. So unless and until I believe you're convinced with it, you cannot convince others. Because as an actor, you have to convince others, to believe in the story, to believe in the character. So first, you have to be convinced yourself. So definitely I do only the shows, I don't pick only the, the characters which I truly believe in.
ओके, सो सोशल मीडिया हाइप जो हम सब आजकल फेस करते हैं, लाइक सोशल मीडिया जैसे ही ऑन किया तो वहां पे बहुत सारी अप्रिसिएशन तो होती है, साथ ही साथ क्रिटिसिज्म भी होता है. सो हाउ यू टेक ऑल दिस, मतलब स्पेशली लाइक जो कभी क्रिटिसाइज किया गया हो, अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो तो.
See, I think these both, as you said, go hand in hand. If people are admiring you, there are few people who are criticizing you as well. And ये बहुत होता है, like, whether you're doing a show or whether you're doing a song, or whether even, at times you're seen with an actor, like if you are performing with some specific actor. So, there are people who really like you as a jodi. There are people who really don't like you as a jodi, and they curse you that how dare you work with this person, and this actress would, love look much better with this person. So, at times I just laugh on it. It's like you can't take all those things seriously. Like, at times I do read all the comments of the fans, which are really nice and very admiring. They motivate you. So I read them. I love them. And at times I also come across, there are a few comments, or there are a few DMs, or there are a few messages, or anywhere around there, you just find a few people, criticizing you, or, talking very bad about you, or, spreading bad rumors as well. So, when I come across those things, at one point just for even for a few seconds, you feel bad, but then I just laugh on it and I just scroll down, because I think that is part of it. You can't change that. Like, it's part of being an actor, because your life is not just yours. It's like, people will comment on it no matter what you post, no matter, what you're doing. Even if you're putting a story, a simple story, even if you're putting on social media, there will be comments, there will be good comments, but at times there will be bad comments. So I think whenever we post anything on social media, it is for the audience to react on. Like, they will react. So it's okay, that it's their right to react. They will say good things, they will say bad things as well. And it's the way you take it, I believe. And being public figure, I think we have to take it gracefully. There's nothing we can do about it much. And I try doing that. It might be difficult, it is, but we try doing that.
Okay, we have seen you in Ishq Mein Mar Jawa in gray shade somewhere. So what you, if you will get a chance to do Nagin, because आपके नागिन में आने के भी chances थे, but due to some reason it is not materialized. So what you have to say, because Nagin 6 की बहुत चर्चा हो रही है कि जल्दी आएगा या आने वाला है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस चीज को लेकर?
See, there were times, one or two times I was approached for Nagin for a few seasons, but there were few reasons I had to say no, because even I didn't like saying no, because it's a good brand, and why would I say no to it? But I already, at a time, I had already signed a show, and then I could not say yes to it. And another time I was already shooting for a show. I was like, the shooting was already going on. I was doing Ishq Mein Mar Jawa only, and during that time also I was approached for, I think it was season 3 or season 2, it was some season. So I had to say no. And the other time I already had signed Meri Gudiya, and it was like the same day I had just signed it, and during the evening time I got a call for this Nagin. So yeah, I had to say no. I was not happy about it, but I had no other option.
अच्छा, सर रिग्रेशन होता है कभी, ऐसा कोई अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट मिस हो जाए तो?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. What?
कभी रिग्रेशन ऐसा होता है कि कोई अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट या बिग बैनर प्रोजेक्ट अगर कभी मिस हो जाता है तो, ड्यू
ऑब्वियसली
टू
होता है
सम
ना बहुत.
रीजन?
There are things going on in your mind ki, what if it had happened, what if you had said yes, what if आप पहले ये आ जाता और वो आप बाद में साइन करते, फिर क्या होता. But I also think about this, that whatever happens for a reason, and it is for your own good, और जो होना है वो हो जाएगा. Like this is a bit of सुनने में थोड़ा फिल्मी है, but I actually believe in it कि it also depends on your destiny. If that show is yours, nobody can take it from you. But if that show does not belong to you, no matter what happens, even if it'll come to you, it'll just go back and you won't get it because it's not your show. So these things happens, but that's okay. That's part of our job. And at times we get few things, at times we do not get them, but then we still have to work for other things that we want.
ओके, सो इफ यू हैव नोटिस वन थिंग, तो न्यूज़ेस में आ रहा है कि अर्जुन इज गोइंग फॉर खतरों के खिलाड़ी. सो एनीथिंग यू वुड लाइक टू से कि उनका जो स्टंट नुमा कभी अवतार आपने देखा है, या फिर कभी उनको एज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन आपने कभी उन्हें परसीव किया है कि वो वहां झेल सकते हैं वो सब चीजें?
Yeah, obviously I think he can do quite well, and he deserves to be in that show because he I think he might handle all that things that they make you do there. I have seen it, and it's very difficult for me. So it's like, oh my god, because dealing with those reptiles, dealing with those animals all around you, and the stunt things for me personally, if you ask me, doing all those stunts is still easy. Like you have those safety measures with you. They do the safety measures, so stunts still you can do. But those things now that you have to hold a snake, or you have to deal with those rats and mouse, and oh god, that is the most difficult part for me personally, what I feel, because it is just so creepy and I can't imagine me doing it. But I think if you talk about him, I guess he can do it. Yeah, I think he is strong enough, that is one of the reasons why he would have said yes to it. And I am actually looking forward to see him there.
ओके, ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, आई रियली वांट टू आस्क यू कि यहाँ पर जिस तरीके से कोविड की सिचुएशन थी, कहीं ना कहीं टेंस तो था ही, लेकिन साथ ही साथ लोगों ने अपनी खुशियां उसमें ढूंढ ही ली. लाइक कई कई एक्ट्रेसेस प्रेगनेंसी के दौर से गुजरी, तो कईयों ने शादी कर ली कपल्स ने. तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगी कि टेलीविजन की ये जो हॉट ग्लैमरस दीवा है, ये सिंगल है, डेट कर रही है, क्या है?
नहीं, फिलहाल आई एम वेरी मच सिंगल. And if I really get somebody nice, I would be ready to mingle. But I think it has time, because currently I'm more focused about my work, about my job, about my shows ahead.
Career.
And yeah, currently I'm more focused there. I think that is one of the reasons I've not yet met anyone right now, because my focus is not even near to that talk about it. But I think whenever I will find one, I will be announcing it.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट फैमिली? फैमिली से कभी मैरिज को लेकर कोई प्रेशर, या फिर कभी ऐसी कोई बातें चल रही हो, ऐसा कभी कुछ?
For me, for my family also, right now I'm too young for it, and they are like, "Abhi काम पे focus करो. It's okay. We are with you." And there's lots and there's lot of time in life for, I believe personally, for things like relationships and marriage and everything, because it's also another responsibility. Like, it's a good thing to be committed with anybody. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's all about perspective. For me, currently right now my career is more on priority, so that is one of the reasons I am single right now. And I would love to remain single.
कोई बात नहीं, we all know कि if there is something, you will definitely going to inform your fans or anyone, so that they can also celebrate this moment. ओके, सो लास्टली एनी मैसेज फॉर फैंस जो आपको जल्द ही देखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन ड्यू टू दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड माइट भी शायद वो डिले हो, लेकिन आएगा तो जरूर. तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उस चीज के लिए?
Yeah, I would just love to say to everyone that I have been receiving all sorts of messages, and whether it is DM, whether it is mail, or on the comment section, the messages like everywhere. that, you know, everybody is missing me on TV and they want to see me again. So it's just that, you know, it's the situation around, it's the environment around, it's the lockdown thing, it's the COVID thing. Whenever my new project is about to start, something like that happens and it happens postponed. Not yet, you know, started our shoot and anything like that. So can't tell you the date, or can't commit anything, like can't commit the timeline as of now because of this thing, because I myself don't know anything about it. But we are still working on it, and I am personally also working on it, because I miss entertaining my fans, I miss entertaining my audience. But here is another project, Blind Love, which will be coming soon. So till then, this is there, and other things are also there. Talks are going on, so maybe very soon, I don't know when, but maybe very soon.
Thank you so much, Alisha, and hope you will do well. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Hi, this is Arjun Bijlani,
And this is Alisha Panwar, and you're watching us on
Glitz Vision.
USA.
You said it.